started. This is the demo of our presentation. We made the project named Speed Alert. So you saw the first screen, first application screen, and this is the screen for setting and start. So whenever I will press start button, it will give me a notification that please configure the settings first. So first you should choose the setting. So here are the some options in the settings, like normal mode and power saver mode. You can choose either mode. In normal mode there is no power optimization technique is used. In another is map display. To save the power, you can disable the map display. So for this time I am using map as enabled. And for if you want to change the speed unit, like if you want to see the speed as miles per hour or kilometers per hour, so you can select from here. Once you selected your options, you can press the button confirm selection. Now we are going to start our main application. You can see this is the main application, and this is by default the front page of application. So here you can see this there are some options like click as for satellite view. So this is the satellite view. You can press M for map view. Like I pressed M and this is the map view. I to zoom in, like I, so you got zoom in, and O to zoom out, like I pressed O and this is zoomed out. So when the application will run, you can see this is P for turn on or turn off the sound alert. So if you want to save the power, you can turn on or turn off the sound alert using P button. Means you can toggle between the two modes. And K for changing the speed unit, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So I am going for simulating our test. We are using KML file which is having 40 waypoints. So our user will track through 40 waypoints. So now I am sending the data from KML file using DMMS supported by Android application. So it's now going to start. Yep. So you can see here that current location, latitude and longitude, and here your miles per hour speed. You are getting notification here like your speed limit and current speed limit. So like if I want to turn off the power, turn off the sound, then I pressed P. Now I turned on it again. Then I again got it. Like for changing the miles per hour to kilometers per hour, you can see here kph to mph. Now I changed kph to mph. So in this way it's showing the speed. Like here you can see here the notification in miles, your speed and current speed limit. So this is your current location. Okay, that's it.